Looking for a simple way to expand your device's connectivity? This compact USB hub instantly adds 4 USB 2.0 ports to any compatible Windows, Mac, or Linux system. Its lightweight design means it won't clutter your workspace, and the rotatable USB connector, adjustable by 90 degrees or 180 degrees, makes plugging in devices effortless no matter your setup. I ran into a problem when the 2 USB ports on the side of my work computer stopped working. The only other ports were at the back, which wasn't convenient for my daily needs. After some searching, I found this affordable hub that promised extra ports without taking up desk space. What sold me was how easy it was to use and the flexibility of the connector's rotation, which made plugging in my devices a breeze. Setting it up was straightforward, just plug and play. No drivers, no fuss. Plus, it's hot swappable and hot pluggable, so you can connect or disconnect devices without restarting your computer. Each port supports a full 480 megabits per second transfer rate, ensuring your data moves quickly and smoothly. It's also fully backward compatible with USB 1.1 devices, so no need to worry about older gear. What really stands out is how this hub fits seamlessly into any workspace. It doesn't hog your desk, and having 4 additional ports means you can connect multiple devices at once. No more juggling which gadget to plug in. Whether it's a mouse, keyboard, flash drive, or printer, this hub handles them all without delay or connection issues. If you're tired of limited USB ports slowing you down, this hub is worth a look. It combines convenience, speed, and portability in one neat package. I'm already planning to get another for my home setup because it just works. No glitches, no lag, just reliable connectivity whenever I need it. Keep your workspace organized and your devices connected with ease. If that's you, this USB hub delivers exactly what you need without complicating your setup. Just plug it in and enjoy the extra ports instantly. Try it when you're ready to simplify your digital life.